made this beat, Moontari made this art. Your art is superhero, Moontari is the bomb. No web swinging and no laser eyes. Moontari's superpower is his creative mind.
Hola mi gente, how's it going? This is Moontari and I'm back with another video. Happy to see you guys again. And I know there are many new people and I hope you will like it here. We do a lot of art stuff which I'm super excited about. I hope you like it and I hope you will stay for more. So, well, remember to subscribe, comment and like the videos. I put a lot of effort in all of that. But without further ado, this is what we're gonna do today. So for today, I've got something super special. If you've been around for a while, you know that I have a thing for old school stuff. I really like everything old school. So today, we're going to paint a music tape. Some of you might not know what that is. Well, people used to listen to music off of this, just like they did with CDs, you know. Now it's all digital, but never mind. We're going to paint that today, and I don't want to make the intro any longer, so without further ado, let's roll into another video. Okay, so that would be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching again. Welcome new members to the family, and I hope you like the video. Might be the first one you've seen. If so, if that's true, then go and watch the other videos. We like to have fun with art here, so I've got a few nice projects that I've done and a whole lot of them still waiting for me to get around and do them. So please stay, subscribe, like, comment under this video and other videos. It gives me a great motivation to go on. And for now, as you can see, this is the final result. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and maybe if you have other ideas what I could paint on this tape, or maybe another, then just let me know down in the comments below. This little baby is for sale, so if you're interested in buying this, just shoot me a DM on Instagram or other social media on my account, and we can talk details. That's it for now. Thank you guys again for watching, and I see you the next time. Peace.